Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Lightroom and navigating directly to the library or grid view so you can act fast. Once done, locate the exact photo using file name, flags, star rating, or folder filters because you want precision before removing anything. Make sure you choose whether you'll remove the photo only from the catalog or delete it from disk. This choice matters. One keeps the file, the other erases it from storage. Now select the image to prepare for removal. Once the image is selected, right-click and pick Remove or Delete Photo. Lightroom prompts you to confirm, so pay attention. If you choose Remove, Lightroom only detaches the file from the catalog and leaves the original on disk. If you choose Delete from disk, the file is moved to your OS trash or recycle bin, permanently removing it after emptying. For multiple files, hold Shift or Control to batch select and repeat the action. This speeds the workflow, but double-check selections first. Finally, tidy up. If you removed many entries, consider optimizing the catalog to reclaim space and improve performance. If you accidentally deleted a file from disk, your quickest recovery is the OS trash or recycle bin. Restore it there before emptying. If you kept originals on disk, re-import using Add or Import to restore catalog links. One troubleshooting tip: if Lightroom shows missing photos, use the Locate or Find Missing File option to relink originals rather than re-importing, which preserves edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.